Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your card on Wise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and log in using your credentials or your biometrics. Once you have logged in, you will end up within the home page, from which, if you wish to create a card, then tap on the card button at the bottom section. If your country or region supports the Wise card, then you will be able to find the application button in order to apply for a card on Wise. Simply tap on this button and proceed forward with filling the application form. Once you fill up this application form with all of your necessary credentials, which includes your personal information, your bank account or card number details, and your address, you will be told that your card will be delivered on the mentioned date. You will simply need to wait for this date to arrive, and your card will be delivered to you within the address that you mentioned. And there you have it. That is how you can apply or activate your card on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.